waiting around is driving me crazy. I'm gonna get a coffee. Does anyone want one?
If I say no, you're gonna shove it down my throat anyway?
Quit being such a dick.
Sure, I'll stop being a dick. As soon as you stop pretending this isn't all her fault.
Was that really necessary?
None of this is necessary. Liz had 6 months to live. You know what we could have done in that amount of time? But instead, she's gonna die at the end of the day. Actually, scratch that. She's gonna die and become a vampire and live an eternity in agonizing pain because of her death-dealing daughter.
Just let us know if you hear anything.
If you're mad at me from earlier, you don't have to take it out of the coffee machine.
You really need me to tell you that I'm not mad at you?
No. But now I'm just curious about what the coffee machine said.
Caroline wanted a coffee earlier, but said this was broken, so I figure if I can put a car together. I can fix a coffee machine.
Well done.
Thank you.
I'm glad that you two are friends again.
Yeah, me too.
You know, friends that know each other's very specific coffee orders and can get each other out of guilt spirals and can take mysterious, secretive road trips to college towns.
Elena, I know what you're getting at.
And?
And it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters right now is her mom.
So,